Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Ichino. So what do we have going on? We're watching for Bitcoin to trigger a short-term trendline trade with a close or an extended move above 11,904. Target area is going to come in for first target 12,469 to 12,636, somewhere in there, and we'll get to the daily chart and we'll help fine-tune that level. And then we will be watching for a possible return to the next about 13,228. What we don't want to have happen on this is there's very key support now at 10,567. You can see it was just price action support, and it's a 50% retracement on this last up move, and we definitely don't want to see a close below 10,233 because then we'll be watching to go back to lows. So what does this look like on the daily chart? That 12,469, you see the declining eights coming in right in that area. So that's going to be very, very key resistance should this continue up. And then the next level is this 13,228, where we have the significant level and the 37.5% GAN retracement level from this big sell-off. And that's clearly in the middle of the rotation zone with the hooking over 8. So that's what you should be watching for on Bitcoin. Again, if it does dip back down, the key support GAN area, we have a cluster right at this 10,567, two lines virtually on top of each other. So there's two GAN lines there and price action. That's going to be very key support to then watch for that to hold and a move back up. That could be a very interesting buying point. But again, we do not want it to go below this 10,233. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum did trigger a trendline trade also. It's above the rotation zone now. There's going to be some minor resistance coming in at this 50% retracement level, which is essentially 1097, so 1100. And then the major area for either taking some profits or moving up stops, 1122 to 1135. We have this prior support area, key support area, also lining up with a key GAN area. Let's check that out on the daily chart also, see where that's falling. That's also falling just slightly above this declining 8. So 1127 to 1135 is going to be a really interesting area to definitely raise stops, if not take some profits on any buys that were done. You can see how all that's falling out. And then the major resistance from this big sell-off move is going to be upper end of the scan area, about 1178. So keep that in mind. Now back to the 4-hour. 4-hour, from the lows on the 17th to the most recent highs formed a few hours ago. We have then the key support about this 924 to 933. We also have the flat 200 SMA all in that area. So if it does pull back, that's going to be a key support level. And what we don't want to see it happen is get below this 885 on a closing basis. That would not be good. That would pretty much invalidate this strong run up and rebound, and then we'd be looking for new levels lower. So that's what we have for you on Ethereum. Again, if you're new here, please like, subscribe, and comment. Watch some of our other videos. We're continuing to grow the channel, and thanks to everybody who is watching a lot of our videos and helping us log the extra hours we need to remain as a YouTube creator status. Thank you for everyone. We really appreciate it, and all your wonderful comments. We will talk to you soon. Bye for now.